Hello YouTube. Today I am going to make aloo paratha. So this is fried bread filling with potatoes. You can add some vegetables also in it, but today I am just making with potatoes. I boiled these potatoes. They're 4 to 5 medium size of onions, potatoes. Sorry, and I sliced cubes 2 medium size of onions, and for spices we need 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds whole, then we need half a teaspoon of ginger, then we need half a teaspoon of mango powder, then we need half a teaspoon of turmeric, then half a teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain is called, then half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and then half a teaspoon of black salt. This we will add after. First we will smash these potatoes, and then we will add our spices and then onions also. So my potatoes are almost ready, and now I will add my spices. And then onions, and mix it again. So after mixing, our filling should look like this. You can add parsley also or spring onions, but I am adding normal onions, white onions, and parsley I'm not adding today, but it's optional. You can add always, or green chili also, because I'm making a mild version. It's not spicy at all. And yes, now we will make the dough, and then we will make the parathas. So in this flour I mixed 100 grams of millet flour and 150 grams of whole wheat grain flour, and now I will make it with the lukewarm water. I will make the dough. So our dough is ready. As you can see, it's bouncing back, and it is not that bouncy because of millet. So I will give it rest for half an hour, and then I will beat it again, and then we can make parathas. While waiting for the dough, always cover with the flour or with the fresh keeping plastic foil. So I will cover it with the towel, with the cloth, and after half an hour we will beat again, and then we will make our parathas filled bread with potatoes. So after 30 minutes the dough look like this. It's ready, and we will just grab a small portion to make the dough ball, and just from corner to the center always, and then just make a ball. So then dip it in dry flour, and just press it on it from both sides, then clockwise turn it, then make middle finger in the middle center, and then roll it on your hand. If the dough is sticking to your fingers, then take more dry flour. So that's the bowl you can make, and then you will take the filling you made before, 1 big tablespoon, and then just try to push inside like this, and then just try to close it, seal it. Again, roll on your hand, seal a bit more tight, and then just put in more flour, Make sure your stove is ready and pan. With the roller pin you can just roll it, and then clockwise you can turn again. Okay. And then you can have it in hand. So that's our paratha, and now we will put in our pan. So it's ready. So now we will cook first bit without oil, and then we will add 1 tablespoon of each paratha maximum, because as little as possible we have to use. So before you turn the side, add little bit of oil, just 1 tablespoon, yes. So and then you can just pour it so oil can spread everywhere. So now I turn it to the side, and now you can see it's cooking faster because the pan is really hot now. So you have to make it golden brown both sides on the medium high heat. So this is the first side, it's almost done. It's very crispy and golden, and we have to make this other side also. And then I will make the all dough, and then I will show you the all when it will be ready. So the second one I made the ball, and then just press it, turn it, again press it, clockwise always turning, and then just with the finger in the middle, and then just roll it, and then press it again. Both sides you can use when you are in a hurry or you want quickly. And then the fillings. So 1 big tablespoon. At the same time we have to be careful not to burn. It's very good. And then we have to just seal it. So sealing is very important. It should be well done. Press it again. So more flour, and finger, and then roller pin. So be careful with the pan. And it's ready. You can see both sides are golden brown and it's perfectly done. So now we have to take your plate with the towel and then just put it. So this is what is done, and then second one is on top. So like this I will make all, and in the end I will show you when all will be done. So these are my all parathas. You can see these are perfectly done. You can eat with pickle or you can eat as it is also. Mostly people eat with chickpeas also, but I would like to eat like this or with pickle. With pickle I can show you my pickle also. Here it is, which I have here, mixed pickle, achar is called, so I use this one. So try this and let me know if it was good. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you soon.